Hello all. Today, we're exploring about clinical trial sourcing and reference-listed drug procurement. ICRIS Pharma Network is a trusted global partner facilitating seamless access to RLDs and comparator drugs for pharmaceutical companies, clinical research organizations, and biotech firms worldwide. Every groundbreaking drug starts with clinical trials, a critical phase that determines safety, efficacy, and market viability. But sourcing the right comparator drugs and reference products can be a logistical challenge. This is where ICRIS Pharma Network excels. With a global supply chain network and deep regulatory expertise, ICRIS ensures that pharmaceutical companies and research institutions get the right medications on time and in compliance with international standards. What ICRIS offers: sourcing of comparator drugs, biosimilars, and innovator medications for clinical trials. Batch-specific documentation, certificate of analysis, pack inserts, and traceability. Regulatory-compliant procurement ensuring authenticity and traceability. Cold chain management for temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals. Rapid global delivery to meet tight clinical timelines. Why choose ICRIS Pharma Network? So, why are global pharma companies, clinical research organizations, and biotech firms turning to ICRIS Pharma Network for their sourcing needs? Key advantages of partnering with ICRIS. Regulatory expertise: ICRIS understands international compliance requirements, FDA, EMA, DCGI, MHRA. Global reach: extensive partnerships with licensed distributors, manufacturers, and wholesalers worldwide. Supply chain integrity ensures 100% authentic and traceable supply. Competitive pricing, helping companies reduce research and development costs while ensuring quality. Whether it's for a bioequivalence study, clinical trial, or regulatory submission, ICRIS Pharma Network is a trusted and reliable sourcing partner, ensuring access to hard-to-access medicines.